Oink! It's a colour quest. Let's find all the colours. Look at those apples.
What's that color?
Red. Bright like a ladybug.
Yum! Let's pick some.
This water sparkles.
What's its color?
Blue, like the sky on a sunny day.
Splashy fun.
Ooh, these flowers glow.
What's that colour?
Yellow, bright like a sunflower.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3 blooms.
This grass is so soft.
What's its color?
Green, like a lime lollipop.
Let's roll down.
Wow, these pumpkins are huge.
What's their colour?
Orange, like a juicy carrot.
Let's hug them.
Check these grapes.
What's that color?
Purple? Like a plump plum.
1, 2, 3, tasty.
This rock looks mysterious.
What's its colour?
Black, like the night sky.
Spooky cool.
These clouds are fluffy.
What's their color?
White, like a marshmallow.
Fluffy fun.
Look, flowers everywhere.
What's its color?
Pink.
Pretty.
This tree trunk is sturdy.
What's its colour?
Brown, like chocolate mud pie.
Yum!
These pebbles are so smooth.
What's their color?
Gray, like a rainy cloud.
Let's stack them.